What was that? Is that? Oh, what's here? What's here? Blue dolphin! Look at him jump through the hoop. Oh, yoo-hoo, yoo-hoo! Good job. Yeah, yes. What's that here? What's that here? Oh, it's a pink bird. Can you say flamingo? Walrus. Looks like your daddy. Oh. What else we got?
Kind of looks like you, right?
Yeah.
It's got a mustache. Bald head.
Oh no!
There's a hippo.
Oh no!
See the bird going in
Ray
the
Rosie.
hippo's mouth.
Ray Rosie, can you say woodpecker? Say woodpecker.
Say woodpecker?
Yeah.
Down.
Okay.